Jones with Remax New Orleans Properties. I'm here on this beautiful day with my good buddy Ryan Reed with Sasqwash Pressure Washing Company. And I just want to let you know that he's a tremendous worker, punctual, does a fantastic professional job, and you really need this for your driveways, your sidewalks, your exterior brick, vinyl. They take care of it, especially when you're preparing your house for sale, and also just general home maintenance.
Yes, sir.
Ryan, give me a little bit more insight on the value that you bring to the table.
Well, most of it's just cleaning, general maintenance of the house, but you're also getting rid of mold and mildew issues that we in Louisiana suffer with on a daily basis. Most people don't notice it because you're walking along, don't realize everything you're walking on is black and covered in mold. One of the premier services we offer, is the sealing service with the driveway, and think of it very along the lines of sealing a deck. Depromotes mold growth, keeps it clean. We warranty the service for 2 years. That way you don't need to have pressure washing done for that time frame. Come back and see us again in 2 years again. We do it again after 6 years. It doesn't need to be done again.
Excellent.
So you go back to back to back, 6 years. Not only that, the beautification process of it, I mean, it will add so much value to just the curb appeal of your house. It gives the driveway in a machine without making it slick to walk on and dangerous.
Sure.
It's a really good service we offer.
Excellent. So when you need pressure washing for your home or commercial business, call Ryan or Luke behind the camera, and it's Sasqwash
Pressure washing.
Pressure Washing.
Yes,
Sasqwash Pressure Washing.
Yes.
Thanks, Ryan.
No problem.
Appreciate it,
Thank you
buddy.
very much. Appreciate it.